couple months we're moving away from Virginia, and we just wanted to share with you our favorite place in the area.
We are at Grandview Nature Preserve. I believe it is located in Hampton, Virginia. If I'm incorrect, it's at least close to Hampton, Virginia. It's a nice little beach. Not as crowded as the more public ones like Virginia Beach or Buckrow. The little caveat is there's about I'd say half a mile walk. But honestly, I kind of like that. It's a pretty walk through some of the marsh and then the trees.
Never should have said that I love you. I never should have said, I never should have said a goddamn thing. I should have kept my fucking mouth shut. And then it would have stayed. I probably would have stayed. I know it would have stayed. I know it would have stayed the same. Like it's one of those nights too